Hey, how is it going? These are the Oakley Bathroom Sink backpack, and I got it from overseas. So let's just unbox it. And in case you were wondering why there is a disjointed voice coming from your laptop and me not actually speaking in the video, well, it's because I own a very shitty microphone system. So this is what we have to make do with a voiceover. Anyway, here are the papers. Let's unbox it. Let's take it out of the wrapping. And this is the backpack. It is the still black edition with everything in black, including the metal accents, the metal thing, the clips, and everything. Everything is in black, just the way I preferred it. So, yes, first impressions, it looks very, very sturdy, solidly built, but it is actually surprisingly lightweight. I have the Oakley Icon 2.0 backpack, and that thing feels a lot heavier than this. Although, on the plus, to be fair, this thing is also smaller. I initially thought of buying the Oakley kitchen sink, which I still maintain is a lot more beautiful than this one, especially if you are going for the tactical look. But because I'm a small guy, the kitchen sink would have been a bit too big for me. So this is why I settled for the bathroom sink. Now let's have a look at the clips. These are some of the most visually arresting elements of this bathroom sink, and they are spring loaded. So the quality, one of the things that I was very worried about was whether the paint would chip off, the black paint, but this seems to be very well done. There is a sunglass compartment up top, which is hard. It is a hard case. So let's have a look at the innards. The clips are solidly built, and the fabric, while not exactly extremely thick, seems to be built to withstand quite a bit of abuse. The chains have got, the zipper has got this again tactical wired handle thing, but not all the zippers on this bag have them. It is just the three main compartments that have this beautiful and tactical looking wired zippers. Anyway, there is a multitude of small compartments inside, but one thing that I am disappointed with is that there is no, the fabric on the inside, the lining doesn't have that Oakley pattern that I saw in the Oakley icon. Anyway, see, as you can see here, it is completely blank, although it does have a bit of a pattern, but the branding is not there inside. There are the tags and everything. It is made in Vietnam. There is a silica gel pouch, and here is the laptop compartment that you can access from the outside even without opening the bag, which is an excellent thing because, as you might have guessed, opening and closing this bag to access content on the inside can be a bit of a pain, but that is the kind of sacrifice you pay for this look. Yeah, up top you can see the wire. Yeah, that is the very thick and sturdily built wire, which kind of helps the covering to maintain its shape. Yeah, and the wire itself is encased in plastic, so you don't have to worry about it rubbing up against anything else when you are on the move. Here is the laptop. Here is the sunglass compartment up top. Again, it is pretty solid, and I think it can make do with a sunglass even without its own covering. I mean, what I'm saying is you can put a sunglass inside without any special covers, without any protective covers. It will maintain it. Actually, you know what? I think I have a pair of sunglasses they just might fit inside, because I did buy something. So hold on. Oh shit, I'm not wearing pants. Okay. Yep. So we're back. So here's the pair of Oakley. What was it? The Juliet polarized metal. No, no, no. That I bought. I forgot the name. It looks like the Juliet, but it is not the Juliet. It is X metal, yes. So this is the X metal, which has a wide metal frame, and as you can see, it doesn't fit inside. There's a bit of it. Oakley's own sunglasses won't fit inside. There is a bit that protrudes. It's not that big a problem. You can make do. You can insert it forcibly, but yeah. But then again, this pair of sunglasses is an outlier, and almost any other pair of sunglasses will fit inside very easily. After this video was shot, I did try it with my other pair of daily sunglasses, which are the Oakley Pitchman R, and they fit inside very comfortably. Let's have a look at the sides. At the sides, you have two Velcro straps each for fixing things like, I guess, your water bottle and other accessories, so that you don't have to open up the compartment, or even take the backpack out of your bag. Remember what I said about the zippers not having the beautiful, unique zip handles? Yeah, so this is that. These have got just a simple fabric handles. So here is my Nalgene 16 oz bottle, 16 ounces, and it doesn't fit inside. This is the white mouth Triton Nalgene, and it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit on the water pouch. So I'm guessing that's not its purpose. It might be able to fit a soda bottle or something, but this boy is not fitting inside. So let's try it inside, and yeah, thankfully it does fit here. So there is that. Yeah, I would have been really bummed if any pair of my water bottles didn't fit, but thankfully this does. Yeah, so I guess the Velcro straps on the sides will be used just for decoration for now. Let's look at the base. The base is made of a far thicker layer. It seems to be protective, and then there is the laptop compartment. You can access it from both the sides, from one side, so that you can take in and take out your laptop. This is the bag. It has got this pattern so that it doesn't adhere to your back with sweat and everything. So I assume this would be good for ventilation. Now my biggest disappointment here is with this straps of the Oakley bathroom sink. They don't have any branding on them, and the material is very flimsy. It absolutely doesn't feel like a 13,000 rupees or $160 that I paid. And even the buckle while it is pretty solid, but it's nothing extraordinary. But that is the backside. From the front, the bathroom sink looks extremely well made while being lightweight, and I think it was worth it. It was worth the hassle of paying through customs. Customs actually charged me almost the price of my bag just to get it imported to India. So yeah, I paid a very pretty pony. I paid around $250 for this bag, because it was not sold in my country. Let's fix it all up. I'm going to be using it as my laptop bag for office and for my hiking and trekking and motorcycling. Everything rides. So yeah, that's about it. This is the Oakley Bathroom Sink backpack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.